Hello students, good morning. I am Ramgil from Mathematics Academy, Social Science teacher. Today we are discuss about the SST chapter Geography, unit number 2, chapter number 1, India, size and location. This is a very important chapter for you, and we will discuss in this chapter about the location and the size of India. So first of all, we introduce the India, which is our largest country, 7th largest country of the world, as you see in the box. For example, location of India. India is the 7th largest country. Number 1, latitudinal extension of India 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes south. Longitudinal extension 68 degrees 7 east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. India is located northern eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere, it means India is totally spread the area of India or the state of India in the part of the eastern hemisphere, and northern hemisphere means the all part of India is located in the northern hemisphere because it is the land covered area northern hemisphere. Next, area of India. Total geographical area of India 32,87,263 square kilometer. It includes all the 28 states and 7 union territories and other parts. Now, from 2020, there are 8 union territories in India and 28 states. Okay, students. The smallest state of India in the term of area is Goa. Largest state in area of India is Rajasthan. In the population, if we will discuss about the India, the most populous state of India is Uttar Pradesh. Actually, Uttar Pradesh will have approx 25 crore people who live in this state. North to south extension, it means India from Himalaya mountain to the Kanyakumari or Kerala. It has a 33,214 kilometers. Total extension. It is a total extension of north to south. Next, west to east extension of India 2,933 kilometers. It is the total extension of India from west to east. Land boundary. Land boundary is a boundary which includes all the total LOC line of control. All the LOC which is related to the or the border of India, which include the Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and other countries which have a land boundary. It is 15,200 kilometers. It is the longest land boundary, and India make a longest land boundary with the Bangladesh, because Bangladesh have 4-sided cover through the India. That coastline, what is coastline? Coastline means a coastline is a line which include all the sea boundary, and India coastline is 7516.6 kilometer, 7516.6 kilometer total. It is the coastline. It include Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Island, and the many states of India from West Bengal, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu, then Kerala, Karnataka, and Maharashtra, Gujarat. It have saved the coastline to the 2 seas of India. In southern part of India, Indian Ocean is located, and other part, eastern part of India, the Bay of Bengal is located, and western part of India is Arabian Sea located. In population, second largest country of the world. India is the second largest country of the world. In area, 7th largest country. Standard meridian of India. What is the standard meridian of India? Actually, it is collected or chosen by the government of India, because 82 degrees 30 minutes east is the standard meridian, IST of India. It is chosen by the government because it divided India between two parts and it share the equal time to all part of India. It remove the differentiate of time in the India. India have 28 states and 8 union territories. Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Maldives, Afghanistan, and many other countries. Sri Lanka, Maldives, these are the island country of India. These are the neighboring countries. And India have a good relation to all these countries. India have a trade routes in this country. Indian from ancient time have a largest maritime to other countries. So students, thank you so much.